Hey everybody. So I'm here looking at my GE GTW485 blah blah blah. Okay. I had to go through, I found the codes and all, and it used to be stuck to, okay, here's the drain. I've got it flipped on its side. Here's the drain hose. Okay. I opened this to be able to pull the sticker off that had the actual way to decipher the codes, and I'm gonna take a bunch of pictures and try to upload those too. Okay, but anyway, as you can see, one of the codes, because it wasn't spinning, it was stopping spinning, came to I was able to troubleshoot it down to a bad Hall sensor, the Hall effect. It's kind of a motor speed sensor. Well, as you can see, I found it all torn apart. So I called the local supply shop after I looked up the part online for the GE, and they gave me the part. And so I found where to install it. It's pretty cool. Got this little clippy thing. You know, you pull the red thing out like this, and you just kind of push and pull it out. You know, it's not that hard. It's rather easy. That's the easy part. But because it ate it all up, right? And I have no idea where it goes. So I've got it sitting here, and I was like, and of course, nobody has anything online about it. And I looked it up, and there's several individuals asking about it, but you have no idea. But here's all the pieces, parts. My daughter almost got this damn washing machine. That's how bad it was. So anyway, real quick, how to do it. I started thinking about it. I know it has to, the Hall effect has to do with this little sensor here, and this is what it is. It's like a little magnet. It senses the electrical field. So what, it has to be something that moves, and so it has to be this pulley, somewhere behind this pulley. So I've already loosened this pulley here. So what I did is I've already loosened this up. So I'm going to put this camera down real quick. Nope, I'm not. I'm just going to get it up real close. So bear with me. But I wanted to show you what I was up to so far. And I imagine it's pretty similar to most of the others. So it's just kind of just pull this off. It's kind of tight. As you can see, it's kind of got a spline. Now, because when you look at it, you're like, oh, so I noticed this when I was looking all over, and it driving me nuts for almost a half hour, okay? You can see it looks like there's something that should be mounted on there, but I just wasn't sure if it was chewed up for whatever reason, you know. The rest of the pieces were missing, but I searched everything that I swept up and underneath this washing machine and everything else. But, so, after you plug it in, okay, I don't know if this even so close, dang glasses, okay, but if you look, this is what it looks like new, okay? And what you got to do is you have to kind of put it in there. You see it like that. You kind of hook it over this down there and kind of snap it in place. Just kind of be gentle so you don't trash it too bad. No, I just want, there we go. See, it snaps right into place. Okay. Then you go ahead, you put this back, and there, if you see, here's the metallic where it's actually picking up the rotation of the machine. Okay. So you stick it back on there. And the speed, and listen, see, it doesn't hit. Plenty of clearance and everything. Sorry, my light's a little too bright over there. But anyway, that's it. That's it. I'll try to upload some other stuff later once I get done with all this stuff. So anyway, I just wanted to show you and share with you, okay? Good luck if you guys have anything like this. Thanks. Bye.